Hello, good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again to have you back here. This is Last Journey Talk. What I have to share with you today is how to earn 8% daily profit on your BNB coin. 8% daily profit on your BNB coin. So this is an opportunity to maximize your income. It is very, very important to have multiple sources of income in this present financial situation in the world. So this is an opportunity for you to earn 8% on your capital, that is on your Binance coin. BNB is owned by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. So you can see that this is a potential for you to make more money in cryptocurrency. So this is Baked Beans review, Baked Beans platform review. So you can start making money right now with your phone. Let your mobile phone be an asset to you and not a liability. So just stay tuned to watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full grasp of the information that I am about to share with you guys. Before I go deeply, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of Last Journey Talk. Last Journey Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investments, and it's also a means whereby I share with you some of the ways whereby I make money online. Okay, so for that reason, you can browse through the channel for more videos on how to make money online, and don't forget to do your own due diligence research before you jump into any one of them. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates. And if you found this video or any of the content here to be meaningful, then don't hesitate to like and share. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Alright, so once again, what we're considering today is how to earn 8% daily profit on your BNB coin, that is Binance coin. Baked Beans review. For that reason, let's go to the Binance app. Let's see the price of Binance coin right now. So let's go to the Binance app and see how much Binance coin is right now. Then we do some calculation. Alright, so as you see, cost of Binance, as in Binance coin, is now 428 USD, $420. So that is the amount of money, though the market is experiencing a bearish run right now. It fell by 5.25%. Alright, so right now it is $426. So what if you are able to make 8% of this? For instance, let's assume you have a whole BNB, just one BNB, which costs 426. So let's do the calculation. 426 times 8%, that is 34.08. So you'll be earning 34.08 on daily basis. You can see this is a whopping opportunity, is a whopping amount. So now let's do the calculation. 34.08 multiplied by 30 for 30 days. You are earning $1,021. $1,021 worth of BNB. So why don't you give this a try? So it's an opportunity to increase your BNB, to earn more, to have more BNB in your account. And what if BNB rise to the level whereby one is sold for $20,000? So that means you as you keep on earning more BNB, then the value also keep on increasing. So you are earning in two ways. All right, so this is the calculation. You can be earning 8% on your BNB on daily basis. So it's an opportunity that you can't afford to miss. All right, now, so let me take you to the platform. So for you to start earning 8% on your BNB, there are some things that you need to have. You need to have a Binance account, not necessary, but you need to have this platform. That is, you need to have a Trust Wallet app, or you need to have a MetaMask. You need to have a Trust Wallet app. This is Trust Wallet here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is Trust Wallet here. So just go to Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you're using right now and download it. Okay, if you don't have Trust Wallet, you can also make use of, sorry, that's an error. So you can make use of MetaMask. This is MetaMask here. This is MetaMask here, but it is very, very fast to make use of Trust Wallet. Though I personally, I have my account on MetaMask, so I will be doing this video on MetaMask, and I will also explain through Trust Wallet. All right, now, so now let me open it, and I will show you how it works. And I'm going to send you some necessary settings that you will need to do. Just check the description box of this video for more information on how to get it done. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to load to come up. Okay, so it's now loading. Right. Okay, right now. Okay, so this is my wallet. This is my meta excuse me, this is my MetaMask wallet, as you can see. So right now what you just need to do is that you just need to click on the menu icon here. Click on the menu icon by the top left corner of your screen. If you are using MetaMask, you click on this, then you click on the browser. So when you click on the browser, don't worry, I'm going to send the link to you through the description box of this video. So when you copy the link, you paste it in the browser in a place whereby you can paste it there. So when you paste it there, then this will surely come up, and you are going to set your network, that is your network here. It will be set to BSC. That is, by default it will be in Ethereum. By default it will be in Ethereum. So you are going to set it to Binance, that is to BSC network. So you are going to set it to BSC network. So after you have done that, then this will surely come up, and then you click on connect. Actually, I have been connected, so that's why mine is bringing disconnect. As you can see, mine is bringing disconnect, but yours will surely bring connect. So you click on connect. So after you have clicked on connect, it will automatically link up with your BNB account, with your wallet, either on MetaMask or on Trust Wallet. So then after you have done that, you need to fund your account, your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask with the BNB you used to start this. So after you have done that, then you input it here in the box here. I'm having 0.007 BNB, so you input 0.007, then you click on Bake Beans. So when you click on Bake Beans, so this will pop up. So when you click on Big Beans, so a confirmation page will come. It will pop up like this. So when it's pop up, then you click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, so your daily rewards, it will automatically display here, and that gives you your 8%. So you wait for some hours for it to be completed. So you earn 8% daily, as you can see here. 8% daily on your investment. 8%, it is guaranteed, and you can withdraw this anytime, any day. You can withdraw it back to your Binance account or to any external wallet if you don't want to use it on MetaMask or on Trust Wallet again. So this is an opportunity for you to earn more. You can also compound, that is, you can use a rebate button here to compound your profit. So with this, you can earn your capital in 10 days. You can get a capital in 10 days if you are compounding. So this is an opportunity to earn more of BNB. BNB is a coin that is owned by Binance exchange site, and the biggest cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. You can see that it has a high prospect. So why don't you accumulate BNB? why don't you make use of this channel to accumulate more BNB? Who knows how much BNB can cost in the nearest future? Nobody knows that Bitcoin can go as high as $69,000, though right now it's around $45,000. So this can be another Bitcoin in disguise. So just make use of this opportunity to mine more of BNB. So for those of you that you like to use Trust Wallet, so if you want to use Trust Wallet, so it's very simple. Just click on Trust Wallet, and the link that I'm going to drop in the description box of this video, then you sorry I need okay, let me log in. All right, okay, so for you to use Trust Wallet, just click on the DApp button here. Click on the DApp button here. So after you click on it, then just paste the link in the URL space here. When you paste it then you send it. So let me just go through my history here. So as you can see, if you are using Trust Wallet, you need to change the network settings here. You need to change the network settings here to BSC, because by default it will be in ETH, it will be in Ethereum. So you just set it to Smart Chain. Okay, set it to Smart Chain, then you click on connect. Then as you know that I don't have any BNB in my Trust Wallet, but I have in my MetaMask. So I'm just using, for example, if you are using Trust Wallet, so just in BNB that you want to use, then you click on Baked Beans. You click on Baked Beans. When you click on Baked Beans, then it will automatically bring up a confirmation page. Then you click on the confirmation, then you start making your 8% on daily basis. So it is very, very simple, very, very simple and easy to do, and you can withdraw your money, your BNB anytime, any day. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question, you can contact me through my WhatsApp channel. You can send your message through the comment box of this video, and you can also send your message to me through the email. Thanks so much for watching this video. So once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasogeni Biztalk. So for that reason, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and give me a thumbs up if truly it adds value to you. Thanks so much once again for watching this video. Until the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.